Welcome back to my video tutorials, and this is Richard again. I'm happy that you are watching my tutorials. I hope that I can do my best to let you know what it takes to start coding languages. Today reason is about you know um, data binding. What is data binding actually? Data binding means that when something is happening, it's really happening. I mean, it's take some HTML tags and bind it with some data. So that's what we call data binding. So, for example, if we have some name here, which I mean, if we have a paragraph like here, we may bind some data before a paragraph or after a paragraph. So from the last tutorial we've discussed we have seen how to repeat data from database, but today we are going to see how to bind data to some HTML tag like paragraphs like this. You have a paragraph. We want to bind data when someone feeds something like this, fill this form. This is the problem we have. And or when we want to show something, we need guys, I didn't talk about this. We have energy model here, which is like a variable that is correcting what we are going to write. Energy model is something that help us correct the user input. Okay, so the user input will be stored in variable called text, and another will be stored in variable called money. Okay, so once you have those variables set on ng model, go ahead and show it here, and show the second variable also here. Copy paste here. Now I'm going to demonstrate what is data bindings about. Okay, go ahead and refresh. And as we said, if someone is writing, you notice that something is showing directly in real time. Okay, so once someone writes also the number, everything also will be showing. Okay, so from the previous tutorial we've seen how to use a filter, and I was showing you how to use like uppercase, like sorry, like uppercase. Or for money you can use currency, and once I write everything will be in uppercase, once I write everything will be in currency. You notice that there is $sign before this number. Okay, now there is also a lowercase, of course. A lowercase is also available as a filter. You can write everything in uppercase. Sorry, Murajimana, my name. So but number will also be filtered to be dollar. If you don't like dollars like mine, you can use you can create your currency, which I'll be showing you in the next tutorials. The purpose of this tutorial was to show you how to create how to use the data binding strategies to bind some data to HTML tag, and how to use knowledge we already discovered, like filters, to apply to your energy models variables that is coming. We have a text that is coming from these energy models, which is the way we set a variable that we want to correct from a user. Like a user is typing here, like, guys, my name is Richard, my name is Richard, and I have this money. We are writing something in a form, and we want a user to fill the form, and while filling the form we want to show what he is writing. you know, directly. This is what we call data binding, and there's only one way to do it, is to use ng model and set the variable you want to use and show that variable you want to use. And if you want, you pipe it with this, and you use filter to whatever you want. There is a lot of filters that is existing on the internet, or I mean not in internet, that exist in Angular framework. Okay, and there is framework, I mean a filter you can use on text, which is maybe uppercase, lowercase, and so on. And on money you can use currency, number, or you know, whatever, floats, whatever. It's up to you to go ahead and read about you know, a lot of things. But thank you for watching this tutorial, guys, and if you like my tutorials, I recommend you to subscribe for me, because it's only thing I can ask you. And yeah, I'm kidding. And if you can, please subscribe to me, and a lot of tutorials are coming out. And thank you for watching.